กันเด้อมาเพียเนาะมากินมาเพียทำเด็กแห่งมันปวดทำเด็กบุกโดดคือข้าง
Mr. Penguin, have you seen the Chick Brothers around here?
ยังไงก็แสบพวกเรามีบริเฮ็ดเองเลยเนาะซื้อของเพิ่นมาจากตลาดค้าประจำเด็ดแสบร้านชุดหนึ่ง40 พันกูไรน้อยเนี่ยต้องหมัก
Kids, you should never play on frozen rivers. It's hard to tell how thick the ice is, so even if it looks hard enough, it could still be very dangerous. Also, if the ice breaks and you fall in the water, you could get frostbite, and your life might be in danger too. Remember, never play on frozen rivers.
Johnny, Jerry, Lou.
อ
What's this? Mr. Fox, what's this black thing?
ผักบุ้ง
It's just chocolate. You seem to really like my salad. I'll give you another one.
Thanks. Ow, my tummy hurts. Where's the restroom? Why are there so many people here? Ow, my tummy.
สุดยอดโอ้เพียมาเพีย
Chef Labrador, all these people got food poisoning. Something's wrong.
Food poisoning? Yogi, please find out what they ate today. How are you feeling?
I've got the bugs 3 times.
Do you remember what you ate today?
I had ice cream, fruit salad, and a cake. Oh no, I need to go again.
There, here's the report. They all had ice cream, cake, and fruit salad. Let's go investigate these jobs. It's not me. It's been strawberry here for 100 years. Such a thing has never happened since my grandfather's grandfather was here.
My ice cream's fine.
Are you suspecting me? My shop is really clean. Every fruit salad is carefully selected by myself. I love fruit salad. I'd like to have one, please. Great choice. I don't think there was any problem with those shops. Doing it. I smell fruit from Mr. Fox's salad shop. He must be hiding something. What? Oh, isn't that Mr. Fox? What is he doing there?
ครับ
Let's go follow him. I'm not eating them anyway. Mr. Fox, it was you who made people sick. Police! Help us to the police station. I'm gonna run! See you later! You can have it It's so disgusting! You don't want to run through, do you? You're so bad. You're going to the police station with us. Sheriff Labrador's safety dog. Kids,
เขาชวนมาคักๆว่ะ